Welcome back to this new video tutorial. Today I am going to show you how you can dynamically get the sheet name in a cell in Microsoft Excel. As you see here in this B4 cell, I have used here a combination of 4 different functions. These are write, cell, len and find. This combined formula is able to get the sheet name here. If I change this sheet name to a different one, suppose that VLOOKUP, then here you see the sheet name is automatically given here in the cell. First of all, I'll explain the role of every single function to get this sheet name here in the cell. So here in this cell, first of all, let me use this cell function. Press equal to, then type the cell function, open parenthesis. In the information type, double click on the file name, close parenthesis and press enter. Here you see this has given the location and file name of this workbook. This is the E drive, this is the file name, and at the end of the file name you can see the sheet name, and here before the sheet name there is a closing square bracket. So now by using this find function we will find out the character position of this closing square bracket here in this file name. So in this cell let me use the find function. Press equal to, type find, open parenthesis. In the find text type double quotation, closing square bracket, double quotation, then put a comma. In the within text click on this result of the cell function, then close parenthesis and hit enter. This has given the result of 37. This is the character position of this closing square bracket in this file name. If you count every single character including the space, then it is in the 37th position. Now let's use here the len function in this cell. Press equal to, type len, open parenthesis. In the text of the len again use this cell function, close parenthesis and press enter. Here you see the result of the len function is 44. This has given the total character count here in this file name. If you count every single character here, then there is total 44 characters. Now here in this cell let me subtract this 37 from 44. Click on 44 minus 37, press enter. The result is 7. This 7 is the total character count for the sheet name. If you see, VLOOKUP has total 7 characters. If you change the VLOOKUP to a different one, let's say match, then the result is given as 5 because the match has 5 characters. Now after getting this character count for the sheet name, use the write function to get the 5 character from the right of the file name. So here in this cell let me use the write function. Press equal to, type write, open parenthesis. In the text click on this file name, comma. In the number of character click on this 5, close parenthesis and press enter. Here you see the sheet name is now given here in the cell. If you change this, let me write here VLOOKUP. Now you see this is automatically updated. So this is how by combining these 4 functions we can get the sheet name here in the cell. Now let me delete all these and combine here all the 4 functions in a single cell to display the sheet name like here in the B4 cell. So here in this cell let me press is equal to, first of all use the cell function. So type here cell, open parenthesis, double click on the file name, close parenthesis and hit enter. The file name is displayed. Now combine the find function. So double click on it, click at the starting of the formula, then type here find function, open parenthesis. In the find text put double quotation, closing square bracket, double quotation, then put a comma. In the within text this cell function will work. Now click at the end, close parenthesis and hit enter. Here you see the character position of the closing square bracket is given in the file name. Now again combine the len function here. So double click, click at the starting of the formula, type len len function, open parenthesis. In the text of the len function combine the cell function again, open parenthesis, double click on the file name, close parenthesis, close one more parenthesis for the len function, then put here a minus symbol, then hit enter. And here you see this has given the character count for the sheet name. Now again combine the write function here. So double click, click at the start, type here write function open parenthesis. In the text parameter of write function, use the cell function again, open parenthesis, double click on file name, close parenthesis, put a comma. Now here in the number of characters for the write function, this combination of len, find and cell function will work. Now click at the end, put here a closing parenthesis, then press enter, and here you see this single formula has displayed the sheet name in the cell, and this is dynamic. If you change this, let me make here match. Now here you see the sheet name is automatically given here in the cell. So this is how we can dynamically get the sheet name in a cell in Microsoft Excel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye for now. See you in next tutorial.